Ida and Marie, how was it today?
It was very difficult, it was light, it was shifty, it was
Hard
very,
to read the wind.
How was the competition out there?
It was pretty hard. The fleet was quite close, and yeah, I think we got like good speed and good starts.
I think there is so many good sailors in our fleet, so every time the wind is very light, everyone is just, everyone is sailing so good, and yeah, the racing is very close.
But how is it like to compete at home?
It's nice. You can sleep in your own bed and your mom cooks for you.
Yeah, it's another situation than usually. And you know so many persons at the harbor, and you know everyone like on the community boat and on the marks, and yeah, my mom is cooking for me, and yeah, it's a nice situation, but different than normal.
Which are your goals for the next days?
Still try to be in the lead, but it might be quite hard if it's that light.
Yeah,
we'll fight for every boat.
We prefer heavy winds, but we will fight even though it's light.
Okay, thank you girls and good luck.
Thank you.